Hi everybody, welcome back to another portfolio review. So right now my portfolio is at $83,425.02. In my CMA Edge account, or my taxable account, there's $41,641.97, and in my Roth IRA there's $41,783.05. The total money that I've contributed to my accounts is $62,320.22. And the total money that I've been paid in dividends is $5,196.36. I'm not going to get into this holding performance thing because it's a little bit off since I did make a big sale today. Let's go over to my account holdings. Alright, so as you can see here, most of my account is actually up today because the markets are up today. Let's go to my CMA Edge account first. So yeah, in my CMA Edge account, there's $41,661.97. The total money that I have to invest right now is $8,280.77. This is because like I said, I sold a bunch of my portfolio today, and because the reason I did this is because I'm losing confidence in the market continuing to go up at this point, especially after what happened this weekend. I mean, with all the protests and the looting and the riots and a bunch of civil unrest over, police brutality, it's just, there's a lot of civil unrest in this country right now, and I don't think that's going to make the market jump up by a lot. So, if anything, that could make it go down. At least that's what I think. Of course, the markets, a lot of people are saying that the market just doesn't make any sense right now. The fact that it's up today, given all the bad news that happened over the weekend, it just doesn't make any sense. But anyways, yeah, I don't feel comfortable leaving all of my money in the market right now, so that's why I took some off the table. So right now, in my portfolio, in my taxable account, I got 10 shares of Berkshire Hathaway, 100 shares of Disney. My Starbucks shares, they already got called away. I sold a covered call at the $78 strike price. It was interesting because on Friday, it actually ended at $77.99 at the end of the day. 1 cent off from the strike price. But they got called away anyways. So, I don't know. I mean, that's good for the person who did make that decision because it ended up being above $78 today. But whatever. I thought I was going to keep these. Even if I still had these today, I would have sold them off because, like I said, I don't feel confident about where the market is going in the near future. All right, continuing on, I have 100 shares of Realty Income, 100 shares of AT&T, 200 shares of Delta Airlines, and 200 shares of Bank of America. Let's look at my options. So here's what I mean about me selling some of my biggest holdings. So both of my call options for Delta Airlines, I sold them both. As you see, there's nothing in them right now. I got rid of all of them because I don't feel like holding on to my call options because I think it's just not going to go, either it's going to go down or it's just not going to go up that much. I don't really feel like holding on to these. So yeah, because today was an update for Delta Airlines, I sold these off. And honestly, I made a really good profit off of these. Let's look at this this call option right here. The Delta Airlines call option at the $22 strike price, expiring in January. All right, so in my Roth IRA, right? What is this? Ah, yes. So I made about 31% profit off of these call options, which is nice. And I also have the same thing in my CMA Edge or my Roth IRA. And here are the options that I'm actually selling. So I've got one covered call for Realty Income at the $57.50 strike price. That expires on the 19th. This one, the call for Starbucks. This expired already, and like I said, it was at the $78 strike price. It got, it didn't expire worthless. Well, it did expire worthless because it expired out of the money, but it got exercised anyways. I don't know. And here's the Disney covered call. This one actually, yeah, this one did not get called because Disney only went up to like in the teens. Like I think it was like a 116 or 114, somewhere like that, in the mid-teens. So it didn't reach 121. So yeah, I got all the money from that, $189. The premium from the Starbucks one was $74, and the premium for the American Airlines was $99. This one I knew was gonna expire worthless. It was for the $9 strike price, and American Airlines, they're way above that right now, so that's good. So I collected over, what is that? Like $350 in premiums. Yeah, these all expired on Friday. All right, let's look at my Roth IRA. So here's my Roth IRA. All the money that I put in is already taxed, so I don't have to pay any taxes on the profits I make in this account or the money that I take out when I retire. So that's really good. Right now, I'm at $41,793.05 in my Roth IRA. The total amount of cash I have to invest is $17,748.55. All right, let's see here. So in here, I got 100 shares of REM, 100 shares of SDIV, and a bunch of options. Mostly I'm selling options, not buying. I did buy this one, the Delta Airlines one. Same thing as in my taxable account. I sold it all today. Made above 30% profit, so I'm happy about that. All right, let's see here. So I'm selling this covered call on REM, which is stupid. I shouldn't have done that. I should have waited until it went higher, but nobody knows what would have happened. Anyways, this is at the 24 strike price. It expires on the 19th. Will it reach 24? I mean, right now it's at 23.43, so maybe not. I'll be fine either way. Like, if it does get to 24, I'm already up above 5% profit, right? So if it does reach 24, I still make a profit. So I'll be happy with that. And here's the more that I'm selling puts. All of these puts that I'm selling. So I'm selling a put on Realty Income. Strike price 52.5. Another put that I'm selling for Citibank or Citigroup C stock at the $43 strike price, expires on the 19th. A put for Delta Airlines, $21 strike price, expired on the 19th. And this one is already expired. This expired on 5/29 for American Airlines at the $9 strike price. So look at all this premium that I'm making. What is this? $319, $206, $611, and $99. That's over $1,000 easily in premiums that I'm gonna get. Once the 19th comes along, that's when they expire. So yeah, overall my portfolio is doing really well right now. I'm really happy with the performance. Of course, I made some mistakes along the way, but right now I'm happy with its overall performance. You know, as far as I know, I'm actually beating out the S&P 500 for the year. All right. Right now, my plan moving forward is to just wait because there's so much uncertainty right now. 2020 is just a crazy year. Every day, you just find out more news, and it's mostly bad. It's so many people unemployed. There's civil unrest. There's a coronavirus going around. It doesn't make any sense for the market to be up this much. So right now, I'm anticipating another crash, or if not a crash, at least for it to go down at least. Because right now it just seems like the market just keeps on going up and up forever. I don't know. It doesn't reflect what's happening in reality, you know? So I'm just going to wait and see what happens. and see if there's any more good buying opportunities. I'm expecting things to finally stop going up and finally start going down and bring things closer to what's really happening in real life, because the stock markets don't reflect that right now. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated on what's going to happen with my portfolio, and I'll see you guys next time, all right? Bye, stay safe.